Today, hospitality and real estate are categories that require urgent reinvention. There is a huge disconnect between demand and supply of quality living space, forcing travelers and city dwellers to compromise on location, comfort, and pricing. Oyo uses technology and talent to fix this socio-economic problem so that people and property are in perfect equilibrium. Our mission is threefold. Generate value, not discounts. Build new social infrastructure so that people can work, play, live, and travel better. Use engineering and technology to constantly upgrade our product and services. This urge to constantly upgrade and evolve has led to our newest product. It's a hybrid, a perfectly balanced mix based on the needs of the millennial travelers. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Oyo Townhouse, your friendly neighborhood hotel. Oyo Townhouse is based on the needs of the millennial traveler, not some hotel industry template from the 1990s. Brand new systems and services have replaced the older, wasteful conventions of the past. Every single element, right from the breakfast menu to the booking process, has been re-engineered to deliver higher quality and better value. Also, unlike the soulless, one-size-fits-all approach of traditional hotel chains, every townhouse is designed to complement its neighborhood. So guests will get the stellar features and dynamic service they expect from a townhouse, but with the added benefit of a hyper-local address, right in the middle of all the action. All this reinvention has resulted in a new kind of hotel that's optimized for comfort, efficiency, convenience, and affordability. Every Oyo Townhouse is built on 6 layers of innovation. First, smarter rooms. Townhouse rooms are configured for maximum comfort and convenience, offering guests all the comforts of home, the utility of an office, and the fun of a mall. Second, smarter spaces. If you're staying at a townhouse, there's no need to head out to a cafe or conference room. The lounge area is an informal and highly flexible common area where you can meet, eat, work, and relax. Third, smarter menus. Tailor-made for travelers, townhouse menus offer plenty of nutrition, variety, and comfort food. Fourth, smarter buildings. Oyo Townhouses use a mix of tech and talent to create a smooth, comfortable, and secure stay. Original infrastructure has been remodeled to make these buildings more efficient and comfortable in every possible way. Fifth, smarter service. Oyo's Training Institute instills a very different approach to service: proactive, efficient, and genuinely friendly. This results in a service ethos that values practical problem-solving over theoretical knowledge, a difference that guests can feel as soon as they meet a member of the townhouse team. Sixth, smarter locations. Oyo puts townhouses in places that either have no viable options, or if some do exist, they are overpriced or substandard. Which is why Oyo Townhouses provide an unbeatable mix of features, location, and value. We aim to open in 12 major cities by the end of 2017, transforming some of India's nicest neighborhoods and making them even nicer. Oyo Townhouse, your friendly neighborhood hotel.